Good morning, class. In our previous class, we have already discussed article, kinds of article, definite article and indefinite article. So last class we have discussed indefinite article, and today's class is based on definite article. Definite article is the. So the uses of definite article. First one, when we refer to a particular person or thing, I have a book. But when we say that I have the book which I lost yesterday. So here we are talking about a specific book or a particular book. I met the lady who is your neighbor. So I am talking about a particular lady or the specific lady. So in these cases, we have to use the definite article the. Second thing, with a common noun when it represents a whole class. As we know, the lion is the king of the jungle. So the lion is the king of the jungle. Means here, lion, it represents the whole class. Means the whole, means all the lions in the jungle. So in these cases, we have to use the lion is the king of the jungle. Means with a common noun, lion is a common noun but it represents the whole class. Number 3, before the names of unique things. In this universe, there are many unique things like sun, moon, earth, stars. They are unique. So when before the unique things, we must use the article the. Means the earth, the sun, the moon, like this. Means in everywhere, when we will deal with the unique things in this universe, we have to use the article the before them. Before the names of mountain ranges. Here I have written mountain range. Himalayas. It is the combination of mountains. So we must use there the article the Himalayas. But when we will write Mount Everest. Mount Everest is single mountain. So we should not use the article the before it. We will write Mount Everest. But when we will write Himalayas, the Alps. Next, before the names of musical instruments. The violin, the piano. In all the musical instruments, we have to use the article the before them. Before the names of rivers, seas, oceans and deserts. Rivers, the Gange. Seas, the Red Sea. Ocean, the Indian Ocean. And deserts, the third desert. So the names of the rivers, seas, oceans and deserts, we must use the article before them. Before the superlatives. As we know, there are 3 types of degrees of comparison. One is positive degree, second one comparative degree, and third one is the superlative degree. So when in a sentence we are using the superlative degree, we must use the article the. Ram is the best boy of our class. She is the most beautiful lady of our school. So the most beautiful, the best teacher. Whenever we are using the third degree of comparison, means the superlative degree, before that we must use the article the. Before the names of holy books, epics and newspapers. When we talk about the holy books, like the Bible, the Quran, the Gita. So whenever we talk about any holy books, we must use the article the before them. And at the same time also epics, like Mahabharat, the Mahabharat, Ramayan, the Ramayan. Before that we must use the article the. And also before the newspapers, like the Times of India, the Sambad, the Samaj. So before the names of the newspaper, we must use the article the. before the names of monuments and well-known buildings. Monuments means like Taj Mahal. So we should not write Taj Mahal. We must use the before them. The Taj Mahal. The Red Fort means before the monuments and the well-known buildings, we must use the article the before them. Before the directions, as we know, there are 4 directions: north, east, west and south. And whenever we will use the directions, before that we must use the definite article the. The north, the east, the south, the west and countries. So before the names of the countries, we should not use any article. But in some cases, we can say some exceptional cases. Like if we will write USA, means here when comes the names of the states, it comes, or kingdoms it comes, then we must use the article before them. How? USA means United States of America. So when the states is the common noun, it will come United Kingdom, the United Kingdom. But when we will talk about only America, we should not use any article before them. But when we write as USA or UK, we must use the article before them. Like nationalities: Japanese, the Japanese; Indian, the Indian. So whenever we talk about the nationalities, we must use the article the before them. Like in countries, as I say, USA, UK. Before them, we must use the article the, or we must use the definite article before them. We generally use the place names containing of. Whenever we are saying Delhi University, Cambridge University, but when we are saying the University of Delhi, means the University of Delhi. Like the State Bank of India, simply you are saying SBI. But when we will use of, means the place names containing of, means the State Bank of India. Like Delhi University, but the University of Delhi. So place names which containing of, we must use the definite article before them. Before an adjective, when they represents a class. Ram is a rich boy. Hari is a poor boy. So here rich boy, poor boy, both are used as the adjective. But when we will use it as a noun, the rich should help the poor. The rich should help the poor. Here rich and poor both represents a class, or they used as a noun in this sentence. So when the adjectives used as a noun in a sentence, we must use the definite article before them. So these are the uses of definite article the. But some exception also there. We generally say, listen to the radio. We generally say, listen to the radio. But when we will use television, we use television, we should not use the article the. We watch the Ramayana on. We should not use the. We watch the Ramayana on television. So, this is what in exceptional cases. Listen to the radio, but we watch the Ramayana on television. Here, we should not use on the television. If you will write the, then it is completely wrong. We should not use like this. In other case, the singer and the dancer were present on the concert. The singer and the dancer were present on the concert. The singer and dancer was present on the concert. So here the singer and the dancer, were present on the concert. The singer and, I have not used here the singer and dancer was present on the concert. So here this the makes completely difference between these two sentences. When in a sentence, before the noun, here two nouns are there, and before the noun I have used the, and here also the. Means we are talking about these two different persons. These are two different persons. We are talking about two different persons. That's why the verb is in plural form. So the singer is another person, the dancer is another person. But in second sentence, the singer and dancer was present on the concert. Here the singer, and I have not used here the, means here the singer and the dancer same person. So I have used here the singular verb. So only this article the makes the completely different between these two sentences. Use of two times the, it makes the two different person, and while I have used here only one time the, so it tells about a single person. That's why I have used here the plural form of the verb, and I have used here the singular form of the verb. Okay? I go to school every day. My parents go to school have written here two sentences. I go to school every day. My parents go to school every month to pay my school fees. So here I go to school every day. I have not used here any definite article. I have not used here the. But in second sentence we must use the article the. Why? Because the difference is that I go to school every day means as I am a student or a teacher, that I am going to the purpose. What school is made for? School is made for to study or to teach. So that's why when a teacher is going or the students are going, they will write I go to school every day. But my parents go to the school because they are not going to the school for what school is meant. They are going to pay your school fees. So in this case, my parents go to the school every month to pay my school fees. If suppose you are a nurse, I go to hospital every day. Or you are a doctor, I go to hospital every day. It's your duty. But if I will say, as a teacher, if I will say, I will go to the hospital to meet my friend. I'll go to the hospital to meet my friend, as your friend has been admitted in that hospital. So you are going for other purpose. So in this case, what you will use? I will go to the hospital. But when you are sick, as you are a doctor, as you are a nurse, in that case, I will go to hospital. The same way, if you are a student, I go to school every day. So you should not use here article the. But in second sentence, my parents go to the school every month to pay my school fees. Means here they are going for other purpose. Okay, children? So here omission of article. Omission of article means zero articles. Zero article means in some cases we should not use any article. Means articles like a, an and the must be omitted. So first is before names of substances and abstract nouns in a general sense. For example, if you will talk about sugar, sugar is sweet. So here we are talking about a substance sugar, which is also uncountable noun. So in these cases, we should not use any article. No a, no an or the. And like abstract noun. As we know, honesty is an abstract noun. Abstract noun means what? The things which we cannot touch, only we can feel. That is known as the abstract noun. Like honesty is the best policy. So before honesty, we should not use any article. Number 2, before proper nouns. Proper nouns means the particular names of the person and place. And before the particular name of a person or place, we should not use any article. If we will talk about Padmini, Padmini is a proper noun. So before that, we should not use any article. I am from Jaipur. Jaipur, the name of a proper name of a place. So we should not use any article before Jaipur. Before names of meals used in a general sense. As we know, we are taking 3 meals in a day. That is our breakfast, lunch and dinner. So before breakfast, lunch or dinner, we should not use any article before them. No a, no an, no the at all. Before languages. As we know, there are different kinds of language. If we will talk about our English. So English is a language. We we learn English, we should not use we learn the English. But when we will talk about the nationalities, we must use the. Means the French should talk in French. The French should talk in French. First French is the nationalities or the persons, those who are staying in French. But when we will talk about the languages like Korea, Hindi, Tamil is our regional languages also there. In those cases, we should not use any article before them. Before the names of relations. Relations, father, mother, brother, sister, grandfather, grandmother, these all are relations. So before that, we should not use any article. Father has gone to play cricket. We should not use the father. Father has gone to play cricket. We can use here the possessive pronouns. My father has gone, we can use. But the father, a father, we should not use any article before them. Before material nouns. Before material nouns, what is material nouns? Material nouns means a substance. A substance by the help of that a thing has been made. If we will talk about a ring. My ring is made of gold. My ring is made of gold. Ring is a common noun, but when gold is a material noun. So whenever in a sentence we are using the material noun, we should not use any article before them. My ring is made of gold. Paper is made of bamboo. So bamboo is a material noun. So we should not use the bamboo. Before the names of days, months and season. Age days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like the 7 days are there. Months, 12 months are there. And season, 6 seasons are there. It is very cold in winter, not in the winter. It is very hot in summer, summer in the summer. So before the days like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like January, February, March, as we can say, then the seasons, in all these cases, before the names of the days, before the names of the months and seasons, we should not use any article before them. We generally do not use articles in such expressions. Some expressions are there where we should not use any article. Sometimes we are saying, be at work, be at work. We should not use be at the work. Simply we are saying go to bed, come home soon. So in these cases, when these expressions, go to bed, come home soon, be at work. So when these expressions we are using, we should not use any article before them. Okay? I hope you have understood all these things. Next class, we will discuss about tense. Till then, goodbye.